evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone out there. I greet everyone according to whatever time of the day you are watching this video. Here is my good series. I am Folorunsho Olutayo Oyebisi, and you are welcome to this channel. If you are a newbie, I sincerely welcome you. If you are not a subscriber, you are also welcome. Today we'll be going into making the natural hair shampoo. We'll be using our black soap, we'll be mixing it together with some stuff, and we'll be coming up with a natural shampoo. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to thumb up, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to put on your notification bell. Let's dive straight into the practical. Here we are at the production center. Now here is my mixing bowl. I will be doing one or two mixing here, but before I start, I'd like to tell us about the different components we'll be combining. Here is my clove powder. Here is my fragrance. I'm using banana fragrance. Here is my distilled water. Here is my glycerin. I have my guar here, and with me here is my miracle powder. This is more or less like aloe vera powder. So today we are making an herbal shampoo, and for the herbal shampoo, here is my already dissolved black soap. You know, the normal black soap that we buy in the market, I dissolved it in water, and this is what I have. Sometimes we buy black soap that is already made, that is thicker than this, but I dissolved this by myself, just 50 grams of the black soap, and added 150 grams of water, and here is what we have. Now before I go on, I'll be putting in a little water into my mixing bowl. And I'll be putting in my guar gum. Oh, I usually have this issue of opening the jar. So we'll be using something around 20 grams of the guar gum. Then we're mixing it thoroughly. I hope you can see this. The guar gum is going to serve as a thickening agent in our products. So I've been able to mix it a little. Now I'll be adding in my aloe vera powder. I'm trying to open this. I'll be adding in my aloe vera powder into the already dissolved black soap. You know, sometimes the aloe vera powder forms lumps. We try to use it that way. So we'll be dissolving that. Also, I'll be adding in my clove powder. Just a pinch. I had the intention of making a larger portion of this, but I went out of time, so I decided to make a little portion, and I know that subscribers will understand and will be able to multiply it out when you want to make a larger portion. Now I've added in my clove powder. Let's assume that that is just 5 grams. I added in I mixed my guar gum. I'll be adding in my glycerin, about 10 ml of my glycerin inside the already dissolved black soap, and then I'll be adding in my fragrance. Now the fragrance is to taste, and the choice of fragrance is usually something fruity, so I decided to use banana. Wow, this place is smelling so nice. I love smell, and I have a very high level of smelling things. So gradually I'll be adding this into the already dissolved guar gum, because I don't forget I said that we'll be using this as our thickener for this product. So if you are making a larger quantity, please make use of your mixer. Now, because I didn't mix my guar gum very well, this will take a little while to dissolve. So if you are in a hurry, you have to leave this for some time and everything will dissolve. Otherwise, you have to sieve it. So I'll be showing us the end product on our Instagram handle. But here are the components once again. I make use of my clove powder, my miracle powder. I use banana fragrance because such products like shampoo are usually best when you use fruity fragrance, my glycerin, my distilled water to dissolve the guar gum, and my black soap. So in this production, black soap is the major component of the product. Then we added other things and we didn't want it. The product will not end up this way. I'll be showing us the end product because the guar gum will totally dissolve. And in your case, if you finish the production and it's not thick enough, please dissolve more guar gum and add until you get a thick consistency. Otherwise, you can use natural soap. I've used natural soap for the body wash and some other products on this channel. You can dissolve your natural soap just the way I've dissolved this guar gum and use it. But because I wanted an entirely natural product, I opted for guar gum. Thank you for viewing. If you have any question, please comment in the section below and I'm going to give you adequate response. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button right now. Press the thumb up button right now. And please put on your notification bell so that you will know when new videos are uploaded. This video, we are still on the 31-day challenge and I appreciate those that have been coming along with us. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.